Is this kind of like you where you're going to do something and then somebody tells you to do it and you're like, yeah, I'm not going to do it? Turns out that there's actually some neuroscience to this. So whether you've got some neurospicy tendencies that you're like, if somebody tells me to do something, I'm not going to do it, or you're exactly this person, stick around for a second. Inside of your brain is something called the ventral striatum. And this thing controls a portion of the reward centers in your brain, which essentially says you create an open loop of an unfinished task. And as you close that task or anticipate the closing of that task, you get a small hit of dopamine, which rewards you and propels you to have more drive into the future. Now, this ventral striatum does something interesting, which controls autonomy, which means that I said I was going to do something, and when I say I do something and I close that loop, awesome, I get a specific reward based on what I say I am going to do. However, this autonomous structure gets turned off and we lose the reward when someone tells us what to do, even if we were already going to do it, because your brain has already anticipated the specific pathway for, I'm going to do this thing. And now that someone's telling me to do it, I'm not going to get that same reward. So into the future, I'll put some strategies down in the comments below for what you can do with this to gain momentum and continue to have meaningful productivity and drive into your future. But if this is you, there is some things you can do about it.